Hi friends, I want to give another educator shout out to my friend Vidhya. If you have been on Twitter or LinkedIn, really on Twitter though, since the pandemic, you'll know that Vidya was the ultimate risk taker. She is an experienced PYP educator who was feeling like she needed to take time off of work, and she decided, you know what? I'm going to take a year off and I'm going to fully immerse myself during this thing called the pandemic and educate myself through self-study, through participating in webinars, by engaging with published authors like Trevor McKenzie and Kath Murdoch, and attending every possible free webinar to get educated on what it means to be an inquiry and conceptual-based educator. She has helped me to redefine what concepts are, and I just love her. Her spirit is sunshine and happiness. She's always been so supportive of my ideas and helping me to see myself in the practice. And I really appreciate everything that she has done. I know that the future is bright for her as she takes her next steps within the PYP. Wherever she goes, she's going to flourish because she has that can-do spirit that I just love. And whenever we get on the phone, she always spurs me on with new ideas. I love that we are partnering with the TCC Book Club. We're going to be relaunching the Sketch Club. You hear like a thing here, like a pattern, lots of clubs, and we're gonna start doing some webinars together. I might even rope her into helping me do a podcast here or two. But she has just flourished in her positivity and her risk-taking over the pandemic as she's found her own voice. And I'm just so proud of her and so proud to call her a friend.